last 50 times I've ordered through drive-thru and they have it correct on screen and repeat it back correctly, but then when I get my food, look at the ticket on the burger.
Fucking you go. The fuck? Can't you see me? Dumb. Stay there and block the fucking road, man. Fucking sweat. You're supposed to look before you pull out. Well, so you looked and you saw me. So you looked, you saw me, and you carried on driving at me. You're not supposed to block that.
You can see that I'm coming. I'm going to let you go.
You're not supposed to pull out on people. Don't argue you're right, you're wrong. You're not supposed to be in that box. Well, there's a camera there, so you've just got a fine. Good. You're unbelievable. You pulled out on me and you're trying to justify it, saying I should have got out of your way. You're a bad driver, you weren't paying attention. Enjoy paying your fine.
Running under the speed limit is just as bad as speeding.
My God, look at these twins.
Watch these two cars. There. And that guy just turns left and goes into the tree.
As a matter of fact, if you're committed to a career, if you've put a lot into your professional development, you can be very protective of your child, seeing her as a mother, and you think, you know, in order to
You okay?
Yeah, sorry, man. I looked. I didn't see you.
It's all good.
No, it's my fault.
It's all good. Are you okay though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I looked. I didn't see it. I went. I was like, okay.
No worries.
And as soon as I hear the here, I was like,
Yeah, no good. No worries. All right, you
Really
good?
my fault, man.
Yeah, no worries. No worries. Have a good one.
You too. Sorry.
Trying to focus and look at the left mirror, and I see this in my truck flying by. Look at him. Flying by. He threw all the snow. He made it way difficult. See, you don't see the line here. I give him the high beams, telling him to slow down. He gotta slow down. He cannot do that. So again, I look at in the mirror. I see this in my truck, same trailer, coming really fast, way faster than the first one. And yeah, look at the left side. This semi truck, he tipped over really bad. Look at the left side. Now you'll see him. And I saw something like it was hard to focus, but I see some lights. It's not in the right place. It's moving somehow. He tipped over. Here we go. Yeah, he tipped over like quick and easy. So guys, always be careful on the highway. And these guys, they need to drive more carefully. Look at the fire, because there is a lot of families in the highway, older people. They need to slow down.
Trim off my nails and file them. They keep breaking in here. This is miserable. I want out of this place. Shit. Crap, that was close. Shit. Crap, that was close.
I did, but I mean, he was sober for a good while, and then like I remember I didn't see him for a while. Oh Jesus! Accident right here.
Yeah. The Toyota, the Honda, and the